What's up, my melanated ones? Thank you for tuning in to Kiss by the Sun. This is your girl, Shelly. If you want to see how I did this hairstyle, stay tuned. So, before you get started with this wig, you're going to have to give yourself some set it off braids.
I need something I can set it off with.
Also, I'm going to let you guys know right now, this is not a wig that you could just take out of the package and slap on your head. It is not a shake and go wig. If you was thinking that, you might as well get up and go, like I'm getting ready to do right now. Like, I had to get off of this camera to make sure I wasn't tripping. Like, this hair doesn't look anything like I saw the package to look like. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have to make this work, but this wig looks ridiculous to me. So we're gonna try to make it work. So I keep trying to shake it and pat it, and I was like, this is just not looking like what I thought it was going to be. I'm also let you guys know this wig has 3 combs in it, one on each side and one in the back. And I ended up picking out this wig, and I had to unravel it to really just get it to look like how I want it to look. I'm glad I stuck with it, but it's a lot more work than what I was willing to put in for other wigs, because I've seen other wigs where they don't cost as much and it already looks like how I need it to look. But this wig, I'm like, what is this? But anyways, I stuck with it, and I'm glad that I did, because it does look good afterwards. But it's gonna take some work, y'all, so just work with it. I would suggest for you to either have a foam head or mannequin head, or you can just put this wig in between your lap and unravel it. If I were to do this again, that's what I would suggest for you to just put this wig on something else and to separate it, because it's going to take a while. I even suggest for you to just work in sections to make it do what it needs to do. But I did not like how this wig looked like when I first got it. Like, it kind of reminded me of The Wiz.
Come on and ease on down the road. Come on, ease on down the road.
Like the scarecrow on The Wiz. I was like, this just looked terrible. But anyways, I made it work, and I'm glad I worked with it. I'm not sure if I would buy it again. But I will have the links in the description for you. The hair color that I'm wearing is a 1B. I thought it would be a little bit darker. To me, it looks like a number 2, but it is a 1B. So again, everything will be in the description.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change, 'cause baby I love is natural. Today I saw you almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stiletto.
So y'all, I did as much fluffing as I could, and I was like, you know what, let me put my earrings on, because sometimes, you know, earrings make a hairstyle come to life. So I'm wearing my Candyland hoops that I got on my website, www.heygirltribe.com. And I was like, you know what, it looks a little cute, but I'm still going to have to cut this hair. So I'm going to get off camera and shape this hair up. Yes, honey. Right now I'm wearing the Motherland drip, and this is how this hair ended up turning out. Let me know what you guys think. I will check you guys out in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll chat with you guys later. All right, y'all.